Have you ever wished that you could transform your written content into engaging videos in just seconds? Imagine the possibilities. In today's digital age, where attention spans are shortening and visual content reigns supreme, the ability to quickly convert blogs, articles, or any text into videos is a game changer. But how can we harness the power of artificial intelligence to achieve this? In this video, we will explore the fascinating world of AI-powered tools that enable anyone, from content creators to marketers, to effortlessly transform their text into captivating videos. Get ready to dive into this exciting topic, packed with insights and practical tips. Section 1: Understanding the need for video content in our increasingly fast-paced world. Video has emerged as one of the most effective forms of communication. Statistics show that video content is not only more engaging but also more memorable than text alone. Studies reveal that viewers retain 95% of a message when they watch it in a video compared to just 10% when reading it in text. This illustrates the power and effectiveness of video as a medium. Now, let's consider the challenge many creators face: producing high-quality video content consistently. Creating videos from scratch can be time-consuming and resource-intensive. Writers, bloggers, and businesses often struggle to keep up with the demand for fresh video content. This is where AI comes into play. Artificial intelligence has made significant advancements, particularly in video production tools. These tools can analyze text, generate scripts, and even create visuals, all within seconds. It's revolutionizing the way we approach content creation. But what are the specific benefits of using AI for converting text to video? Firstly, it saves time. With traditional video production methods, the process can take hours or even days. However, AI-driven solutions can generate video content almost instantly. This allows you to focus on what truly matters, crafting your message and engaging with your audience. Secondly, it reduces cost. Hiring a full production team can be expensive, especially for small businesses or individual creators. AI tools often come at a fraction of the cost, making video creation accessible to everyone. Lastly, AI video tools typically come with user-friendly interfaces, which means you don't have to be a tech expert to use them. If you can write a blog post, you can create a video. Now that we understand the importance of video content and the advantages of AI in video production, let's dive deeper into the specifics of how AI converts text into video seamlessly. Section 2: The process of converting text to video. So how does the AI magic happen? The process of converting any blog or text into a video typically involves a few key steps. 1. Text input. The first step is to provide the AI tool with the text you want to convert. This could be a blog post, an article, or any written content. Most AI video tools have simple input methods, allowing you to copy and paste your text directly into the platform. 2. Script analysis. Once your text is submitted, the AI begins analyzing it for key themes, concepts, and visuals. This analysis helps the AI understand the core message you want to convey. Some advanced tools can even identify emotional tones and keywords to create a more impactful video. 3. Visual selection. This phase is critical. Using the analyzed data, the AI selects appropriate visuals, video clips, animations, or images that complement your text. Many AI video generators have extensive libraries filled with stock images, footage, and animations, ensuring you find the right visuals that resonate with your audience. 4. Voiceover generation. After visuals are chosen, the AI often includes voiceover options. Some platforms use advanced text-to-speech technology to generate realistic-sounding voices, while others allow you to upload your own voice recordings. You can usually select from multiple voice styles, accents, and tonalities, ensuring your video aligns with your brand's voice. 5. Editing and customization. While the AI can create a baseline video quickly, most tools allow for customization. You can edit text overlays, adjust the timing between visuals, change colors and styles, and incorporate branding elements like your logo. This layer of customization ensures that your video feels unique and professional. 6. Final rendering. The final step involves rendering the video. Here, the AI compiles all the elements, text, visuals, and audio, into a coherent video format. Most platforms provide options for various resolutions and formats, enabling you to export the video in a way that fits your needs. This streamlined process takes mere seconds to finish, opening the door for content creators to churn out high-quality videos efficiently. Section 3, Practical Applications of AI-Generated Videos. Now that we've uncovered the process, let's look at some practical applications of AI-generated videos. 1. Content marketing. Businesses can convert blog posts or articles into videos, creating a more engaging experience for potential customers. Videos can be shared on social media platforms, boosting visibility and increasing engagement. 2. Education and e-learning. Educators can create instructional videos quickly, transforming lessons or educational blogs into visual aids. This method enhances comprehension and retention for students, making learning more effective. 3. Social media engagement. With the rise of platforms like TikTok and Instagram, short video content is in high demand. AI tools can help social media managers create eye-catching video snippets from lengthy posts, perfect for sharing and engaging audiences. 4. Product showcases. Marketing teams can develop quick promotional videos for new products. By turning product descriptions into dynamic videos, companies can capture the essence of their offerings in a visually appealing way. 5. Personal branding. Influencers and personal brands can transform their thoughts, opinions, or stories into engaging videos. This not only builds a more personal connection with their audience but also enhances their digital presence. 6. SEO benefits. Search engines favor diverse content types, including videos. By converting blog posts to videos, you can increase the chances of your content being discovered online, enhancing your SEO efforts. 7. Repurposing content. If you've previously created an extensive library of written content, leveraging AI to convert this into video format can breathe new life into your work. In summary, the applications are extensive, and the potential benefits of this technology are vast, opening new avenues for creativity and engagement. Conclusion. To wrap up, the ability to convert any blog or text into a video in seconds is not just a revolutionary trend, it's a necessity in today's fast-paced digital environment. With the power of AI, content creators, educators, and businesses can save time, reduce costs, and reach their audiences more effectively. As we continue to embrace technological advancements, the sky's the limit for creative possibilities. Whether you are a seasoned content creator or just starting your journey, exploring AI video tools can greatly enhance your ability to connect with your audience. So why not take the plunge? Experiment with these AI tools and watch as your written words come to life in powerful and engaging video formats. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope this video inspires you to harness the incredible power of AI in your own content creation journey.